Here's the white Sacai Nikes that came out. We got this on the sneakers app. So this is a really cool shoe, really hard to get, mega hype. So let's just get right into the details of the shoe. Pretty much the thing that stands out the most about the Sacai Nikes is a double tongue. Here's the front tongue. Right behind it, Nike Sacai. And then there's like a little bit of foam on the first tongue right here, so it might yellow. Just be careful and like wrap your shoe if you use it. And the bottom section here has no foam. Same for the second one as well, exact same thing. On the side we have double swoosh, a gray and a white on this pair, just stitched on and overlapping with each other. And then same for the inside here too, exact same thing. And then for the side view, it's really long here, so you have this little like soft thing that sticks out. And then the bottom here has like these little squares everywhere, pretty cool. The toe has like two little squares as well on the front. Yeah, and another thing is like the double lace. For this pair, it comes with a double lace system, white and gray on both as well. And extra laces in the navy blue colorway. I don't know why they chose navy blue. It's kind of random color, just because nothing on this shoe has like a navy blue color. Yeah. Back. Nike Sacai. Just printed on here. Nothing too special about this. No embroidery. If it was embroidered, it would be like pretty dope. But Nike Sacai and the insole on both pairs. Let me show you guys. And then the inside here is just like soft cotton fabric. With socks, it's gonna like, I don't know, it's gonna stick over. So if you wear it, it's gonna get like a lot of sock lint on here. And then the top part of the shoe here is like, I don't know, the lace hole area is really soft, like a soft material. I don't know what it is, but and mesh on the toe box right here, see-through. Up your sock game of this pair right here. And I believe the retail on this was 160. Sneakers app drawing win. And orange box here, really long, Nike on this half of it, and the other half on the other side. I recommend going like half size down to like even a full size down, because they are really long, really big, and if you do get them on your true to size, they're gonna be like way too big on you. So make sure you go at least half size down for these ones. And yep, these are really dope. We weren't able to get the other two colorways because we lost all the raffles, but Sneakers app gave us this dub right here. Peace out.